Most drivers think a dash cam is just a box on the windshield. But what if your camera could watch the road, your cabin, and even act as a handheld action cam for all your adventures? Today, we're diving into the Vantrue E360 ACE 3-channel Wi-Fi Dash Cam, a feature-packed device promising full coverage, crystal clear footage, and smart tech designed to keep you protected and entertained on the road. Welcome to Autovated, where we break down automotive tech so you know exactly what's worth your investment. The Vantrue E360 ACE offers 3 channels of 2.1K recording with ultra-wide 210-degree front, 210-degree rear, and 165 cabin lenses. This means no blind spots and full coverage for safer driving and parking. Beyond the standard 3-channel view, it offers panoramic, fisheye plus fisheye, and dual fisheye modes, letting you capture driving and life moments in creative ways. It also doubles as a handheld action camera with portrait mode for social media-ready clips, making it versatile for both daily commutes and adventure recording. Based on expert tests, verified buyer feedback, and comparisons with competitors like Blackview, DR750X3CH, and Thinkware U1000, this model stands out for its multi-purpose functionality. Key features include dual STARVIS 2 sensors with HDR and 8 IR night vision lights, ensuring clear footage in low-light or high-speed scenarios. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi and dual GPS system allow fast video transfer, live route tracking, and accurate speed and location logs, perfect for insurance claims or resolving disputes. 24/7 buffered parking mode automatically records suspicious activity, including hit and runs or attempted theft, with 10-second pre-recording for complete evidence. Smart voice commands and a 1.54-inch IPS touchscreen make operation simple and hands-free, while the magnetic and adhesive mount system ensures stable installation and easy adjustments. Pros: exceptional coverage with triple cameras, versatile handheld use, sharp low-light performance, robust GPS and parking features, fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and easy installation. Cons: LTE module and remote controller are sold separately, making full remote monitoring an additional cost. Advanced features may have a learning curve for casual users. Compared to the Blackview DR750X3CH, the E360 ACE offers slightly better low-light cabin recording and integrated handheld functionality, though Blackview excels in cloud storage solutions. Thinkware U1000 provides higher front resolution, but lacks the creative recording modes and 3-channel versatility of the Vantrue. The build quality is solid, with durable housings and strong adhesive mounts designed to withstand heat and vibration over time. Vantrue's reputation for firmware updates and support, combined with an 18-month warranty, adds confidence in long-term reliability. Customer service is generally responsive, with positive feedback from verified users on firmware assistance and replacement parts. This dash cam is ideal for drivers seeking comprehensive coverage and tech-savvy features, daily commuters who want peace of mind, or adventure enthusiasts who want to capture road trips and off-road experiences. Less suited for those wanting a simple, plug-and-play dash cam without investing in additional modules. If this breakdown is helping you navigate the sea of dashcam options, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a review that keeps you ahead of the curve. Verdict: strong option. If you value full coverage recording, smart tech, and versatility, the Vantrue E360 ACE is one of the strongest choices in its class. For buyers on a budget, consider alternatives like Thinkware F800 Pro for 2-channel coverage at a lower cost. Thanks for watching. Links to the product are in the comments and description. If you have questions or already own the E360 ACE, drop your thoughts below. Goodbye for now, and keep your drives automated and fully covered.